We live in a prison, a modern-day Egypt, and most are oblivious to it. A habitation of devils, a world where evil runs the show behind closed doors. The hidden hand. They put up a great facade. They keep us busy with nonsense, fighting one another instead of the real enemy. They dress up death as if it were desirable. They sing to us words of iniquity, shame, and contempt, and is praised among men and sung aloud by the many. The fabled Pied Piper. They make a mockery of our Creator and parade it before the masses. They kill their children and shout it from the rooftops. They love rebellion and have multiplied. They have appeared as angels of light, but are the ministers of unrighteousness. But he has called you out of her. Wake up, sleeper. I also will choose their delusions and will bring their fears upon them, because when I called, none did answer. When I spake, they did not hear. But they did evil before mine eyes, and chose that in which I delighted not. For behold, Yahuwah will come with fire, and with his chariots like a whirlwind, to render his anger with fury, and his rebuke with flames of fire. For by fire and by his sword will Yahuwah plead with all flesh, and the slain of Yahuwah shall be many. What happened? It all started out so beautifully and perfect.